Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Scatter Slots game on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to install this game within your PC, first of all, open up the Microsoft Store from your device. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your Microsoft account by using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will see the search box. Click on the search box and type in Scatter Slots and start your search. Once you find the Scatter Slots game, just click on it and you will see the Get button. Click on this Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Scatter Slots game on your device. Wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the Play button instead of the Get button. You can click on it and it will open up the game right away. And once the game is opened up, you can proceed with logging in to your existing account or sign up to create a new one in order to start enjoying the Scatter Slots game on your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Scatter Slots game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.